Another one down. Come down.
Extra power.
Another one.
Is the result of 2.5 years and more than 3,000 man-hours of labor. The plane flying company is responsible for the rebuild and ongoing maintenance of this highly This Porsche 365 horsepower, custom built by German engine. And the German wood. Wonderful community. But since this is just one of many different cities Steve will perform in this year, Monday morning he'll be on the road again. Nice big rudder to help with that aerobatic maneuverability and give him a wave all the way up and down the line. Of the Yak 1, 3, and 9 series fighters. The purpose of this aircraft was to stop the German Air Force as they tried to attack Russia and bomb it into submission. And the German Air Force, the Luftwaffe, reported over 94,000 aircraft missing in action during World War II, and more than 62,000 of these hold the aircraft inverted. And rolled it upright. The original engine on this was a Klimov V12 engine, which was not particularly reliable, and so they built this aircraft. It was determined and discovered that the original factory had enough parts, spare parts on hand, to build from scratch some fuel as the fuel in the fuel cells heats up, so it creates a fire hazard. Please, no smoking. The smoking areas are way to the back on the grass. If you don't abide by that, you may be asked to leave. Well, here comes Sean. Watch him as he comes up over the top. Does a beautiful barrel roll. That's deceptively simple. But the idea is to start and stop at the same altitude and airspeed and roll around an imaginary point in the sky, 45 degrees up and to the right. Hey, Sean Carroll, I got you loud and clear, my friend. How's it feel to fly that airplane?
We're fun today. Beautiful day. Langley.
Okay, we'll be ready for him, buddy. Looking forward to when you get back with us. From the right, let's see him put it up on its wing right down there on the deck. Get a great picture of the top. Listen to the sound of that, because we'll hear another V12 engine in Jim Beasley's P-51 Mustang a little bit later on. It is a liquid-cooled engine. airplane who became aces in yaks. An ace in aerial combat is a pilot who has scored 5 or more aerial victories. And there were 12 Russian female pilots who did that. Steve Oliver is coming down the line in just a second.
Let's go around this way.
April 18, 1942. Unfortunately, most aircrew survived combat in 1925 suffered devastating hearing loss later in life. Freedom is never free, and every day